Hi, my name is Gavin Samuels. I'm an intensive care physician and I work as a senior director at Teva Pharmaceuticals. I had a LASIK surgery performed by Dr. Ilan Cohen about 3 years ago, and in deciding who to go to have the surgery done, I was looking for three things. I was looking for someone with deep subject matter expertise, and Dr. Cohen certainly demonstrated that. He explained the whole procedure, and I was very interested in the physics and the technology, and he was able to explain it to me in a very deep way, which was very impressive to me. I also looked for someone who's precise with a high degree of attention to detail, and Dr. Cohen certainly demonstrated that as well. He rechecked the measurements 3 times at the first and second consultation, and then just before the surgery he rechecked it again, and again that was very impressive to me, that someone took so much care in making sure all the measurements were correct. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, was I was looking for someone who enjoyed what they did, who was passionate and enthusiastic about what they did, because I find that a physician who loves what they're doing also is a physician that cares deeply about their patients, and that certainly was my experience. The procedure itself was very comfortable. It was surprisingly short to me, and an interesting thing that I found as I sat down on the chair before the surgery, I looked across the room and there was a clock on the wall, and I remember not being able to read a single letter on that clock. And 15 minutes later, when the procedure was done and I sat up, I was amazed that every one of those numbers on the clock was perfectly clear to me just a few minutes after the surgery had ended. The recovery was quick and uncomplicated, and I would say it's one of the best things I ever did in my life.